Omo Bliss, you go collect.
I just want to scream for you.
Scream.
I just want to tell you I love you. I also just want to tell you how much I love you. Good night and have a sweet dream.
You two speaker.
I remove her for speaker, idiot, speaker. Una go hear me from my hand. Una go hear me from my hand.
Babe, what do you want from me now?
Yeah.
What do you want from me? You're not here. If you are here now, we'll start to kiss. Listen, what do you think you want from me? Nothing at the moment. You just see my brain. I can't just wait for the day I'll see you. I just want to scream for you. I just want to tell you I love you. And also just want to tell you how much I love you.
Anybody not you are Mogugbe.
Good night and have a cheese.
Anybody will just come in, you are Mogugbe.
I can't wait for you to read my books. It's fine anyway. Thank you.
You say what in Mutia? Obu the key to ask me that more question. May she play with your now.
If you tell her to not be my, you don't know say get woman.
May she play with her now.
Not be my, you don't know say get woman.
She should play what she tell.
You don't see me, you don't see two of us together.
No, we not play with it. May play I give Omo Bliss the right to play everything that I told her.
I'm not going to hold it boost.
I have everything. But that's it. When I know how evil she is, I said no. This girl wanted to destroy my platform. God have succeeded in landing you into problems. And you see you, I will meet you. Now I don't want you to not play from tomorrow. And so as God the saga cancel better. The beating not be yeah. You see, when you follow people who get bad, they like go away born for 3 nations. Now so disgrace that they see. And that disgrace so now you go begin to see.
Let me play respond. If you like is play respond, I might be.
Is it film?
Mark and both to say get 5
yes, now we play love now.
Make and both and
say play love.
Wife. How many woman go both say get 5?
But Omo Bliss not fully well that I'm a married man. She knows.
No, say get wife. If they play with me,
she knows.
I cannot love.
Hello.
I cannot love your husband.
And she don't like my wife.
Man.
And she don't like my wife. Goya, Saga Caselo, I beg. I just use God to the beg you.
Come on, pour me water, call the me.
Saga Caselo for me, I beg. Because tomorrow I'm going to play everything from start to the ending. As she toast me and everything to the end, I'm going to disgrace her publicly. Because people feel that I want just run for her because I want to run for her. No. I don't want to run for her because I want to run for her. I pursue her.
So they give people, you call them jealous. How many people they think?
No, jealous. Assuming she not go see give go, she will not do the problem with this. Goya, you want to dare me? Dare me.
Yeah, I see.
This thing so it go cost waiting us up. May I play again? Now do well. Why not? I'll play it again. Come
this
on.
I'll
play it again. Come on.
You know, if the back car, they'll say when I put Jara, now the Jara be.
This is just the tips of the iceberg. Even the ones that she do not even know that I know. Because I said it from the beginning that I do not want to have any relationship with you. She forced me into it. She forced me into it. You forced me. You pushed me. By first toasting. By first toasting. Goya, by this, like, as this thing you've been there, this saga don't come up for your hand already. It don't become public something. Because she said she's married. She never told me she's married. That is the truth. Tomorrow, I'm going to give, for this thing we're going to do, for you to even saga cancel.
Say so, they date for 4.
Yes, we dated for 4, but I don't see her.
They date for 4, they play love for 4.
My attitude and character come make a shift, come on from where I did.
They did for 4.
You feel am? Because our intention was to destroy my home.
Now Zaddy, they call my husband.
Zaddy. Our intentions was to destroy my home.
Zaddy.
So if you see say Enogie, they do this kind of thing to this person, before you criticize me, ask questions. How will you people feel if I sleep with a married man, a married woman? Now this same person so for still saga my life. Now this same mumu goya so for still to say, Enogie, don't go sleep with my Bliss. Oh,
you not love your wife.
Not love your wife.
They sleep with another women. You not love your wife. You don't know some of those women they used
tomorrow is going to be
a
very public disgrace for my Bliss. For you to go repost Cancelo again and warn you go here, then let the saga begins. You've not seen anything yet. Let me continue to play it. Oh yeah.
I want you to tell my husband before shop and money.
Let me continue to play. Yeah.
What do you want from me?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
If you're here now, we start to kiss.
Okay now.
Listen. What do you think you want from me? Nothing at the moment. You just see my brain. I can't just wait for the day I'll see you. Just want to scream.
The mad, the craze.
I just want to tell you I love you. And also just want to tell you how much I love you. Good night and have a sweet dreams. I can't wait for you to roll my book.
This is the same thing that I was asking her. And she told me that her baby papa hurt her so much. That for that sake,
you're also wrong, but you cheat on your wife.
Cheat?
Nah.
How do I cheat? How I take cheat?
Mama's please.
So as I did this TikTok reach, so you know, no wait. As I did this TikTok reach, so you know say I get wife.
Mama's play rough for 4, eh?
Please shut up your mouth.
Mama's play rough for 4. That one don't mind is perfect for 4. If you say for reality, say for 4.
You keep quiet.
100 man, only one perfect for 4. Make and play rough for 4. You don't know say you get wife. You don't know.
Not all that glitters are gold. You go regret the day when you go give go your gift. Now God punish you so for people eyes to open.
They get 5 baby mama. But
tomorrow
5, no, say get
I'm
4.
going to play more.
About 4, no,
even the ones that you do not even know. I'm going to play it. Yes, I personally do them to you because you are evil. Your intentions of coming to my platform was to come and have fame and destroy me. It is even an abomination. If I should find out that your husband is my brother, it was not big abomination they want to put me before. Because they forbid things for each other. Faith. I beg, honest, Uze, can they go? Can they go though? Can they go?
Now they say me if I play, you want to know why you're for your side. You go play a man, no worry.
No.
You see the why you're for your own side.
No. Let me play my own side. No. Now myself now I play. Okay.
Daddy is about to go there.
Okay, let me play my own side. Very nice. You know, sometimes you gotta play your own side too. Yes, of course. People have right to tell me I should play my own side, of course. Definitely tomorrow I'm going to be playing my side, yes. But I just want to play that one. Yes. Okay.
I just want to tell you I love you. And also just want to tell you how much I love you.
I think I did not reply her and I told her sweet dreams. The evidence are there. You're mad. You want to spoil my ass. If I need girl, I me go toast girl. Not be girl go toast me. If I need girl, say I need girl. Say man want to see do bad thing. Okay. Now me go.
You pet name for my husband Zaddy. Man, I don't follow you get drag that name. Man, I don't follow you get drag that name. Name na Zaddy.
I go put you for the biggest
Zaddy,
problem of your life. Just the way they want to put you for problem now on Saturday. I pray me go ya not go answer that juju. Go ya market. You too small, go ya. This was the voice note she sent me and I told her sweet dreams. This was the voice note. Tomorrow I'm going to play every other audio evidence. This was the voice note. I'm going to play it again and I told her, wow, sweet dreams. I did not reply her. This is the evidence of proof. Because you know, this was my reply to her. As she trust me, as she convince me, I'll play that one tomorrow. I told her this did not work. Even when we did those our cut and nail relationship, the dream so that the dreams was bad. I told her that this thing is going to end in regret. Yes, I demanded for a sweet verse note. For me to demand for a sweet verse note, you suppose not say there are more to this. Before I call a demand for sweet verse note, you know, so we don't date.
Man, you carry ask me for sweet voice note, not be talk, Christian.
Yes, and I talk Christian now. Okay, okay, I'll go ask married woman for sweet voice note.
Hello, man, your fans send me sweet voice note.
Yes.
What did they breathe that nonsense? Not be talk, Christian.
No, so they not get sense now.
Why you guys to play? Make and play rough. Now, woman, you see woman get 5 baby mama, but the number 5 no see get 4.
Goya,
no see get 2.
you go regret the day you saga cancel. You go regret the day you saga cancel now. You go regret the day when you saga cancel. Now me they tell you Goya, not be being so. You go regret her. No, people just record me say you put me for that side. No, cause saga cancel. Hello, Mumu Goya. Come and saga cancel.
Yeah, must send me people now. Now you with the sponsors here. We cannot hear you.
You see?
Yeah, they with the sponsors.
That is the truth. You see, this girl told me that he had your husband die. Imagine, wanted to use me to do ability. Is that ability or ability? Ability.
What do you want from me now? What do you want from me? You're not here. If you are here now, we start to kiss. Listen. What do you think you want from me? Nothing at the moment. You just see my brain. I can't just wait for the day I'll see you. I just want to scream for you.
You will say our two shit on our partners. Thank you for that. God bless you. Okay? Because you blind to know that this man here is married. And you can't toast me. I go play. I go punish you. Zati Enogie.
I just want to tell you I love you.
They are very innocent in face. Very innocent. Very innocent in face. Very innocent. Very innocent.
If you may ask me, my viewers, not because he is my husband, I've tried to. Who are you guys to blame?
I manipulated that Oga. Lisa, if you are a married woman, you go give your toto to person, they'll say they manipulate you.
Who are you to blame?
I know that this saga go roll.
Who are you guys to blame? Is it the man or the woman? If my man even want to stand self, not be duty to say, Oga, you don't marry, leave me alone.
That's the truth.
If now my even fair go for her.
Yes.
As for me, now my even say now Oga go for her, and I duty to say, Oga, they swear for you. You want to use me to play, but when you don't get wife, but now you even go for her for the beginning. I'm not blaming any man when they say the current married woman as a knocker. He rape her. I mean, married woman open leg for her. And the married woman open leg for her. If any man will say, God, may God forbid, how you want it happen? Now you tell follow only keke open it, only keke go take toast you. It's so both of first for the beginning. Nobody say I travel as they plan. Say next year I go relocate. Say you see only my husband. You see the dad say I'm not sure say he get wife. It's so both of us together. Hello, is a man. Man can both that say I have a 5 wife. How many women can both say I get 5 husband? More live sentiments. More talk realistic. Who are you guys to blame? A man or the woman?
Alpha.
Please, you guys should stop.
So person they gift me call it toast me. You think they talk? Watana?
My mom not even they go her left. Now I make her my sister. She always say, my mom, I too love you. I too love you. I quarrel with my husband. Get away for wrong me. Get away I discuss with her. Must believe I'm not supposed to discuss her with her. We know, say too often they talk. As I tell you, someone ask her this thing, you say no, my wife, no ask her. I let down my husband for wrong me. You and this guy they play love. I tell you, say I want ask her this thing. You don't go green. You follow let me ask her.
So as diplomat, not tell me well.
You don't go let me ask and I just blame my husband.
Osas diplomacy at this junction.
That is very bad of you.
Osas diplomacy at this junction.
That is bad of you guys.
Osas at this junction, I not just need your opinion anymore.
They will go.
Osas, let me just do it in my mind. I beg. Let me do what is in my mind. Because you don't know what it means. For you to say, because if this thing not happen like this, people would have said I'm an ungrateful person. If this thing not happen like this, people would talk, say I am an ungrateful person. You gifted me, and at the end of the day, you come and cry in my inbox.
You not even like me.
You want to give birth to twins for me. You see, I don't want to talk again. Because it's better it's out. Of course, yes. That is it. What is worth doing is worth doing well.
And she want to accommodate.
Yes, I'm proud of myself.
And why she want to accommodate me?
Because I did not sleep with her.
It's a play yourself.
Yes. Yes. I'm going to play my own side of the story. I am going to play my own side. It is good everybody know. So that everybody will know where it stands. Now let's go. Maybe we'll play everything this night. I pity people when they sleep. Because tomorrow, it is going to be aura for aura. Go here, I tell you. Say this thing where you want it so. This thing at the end of your saga, end of discussion. End of your saga, end of discussion. That is truth. Now, let's go. We're going to play everything. Of course. Everything. We're going to play it. Everything. Everything. We're going to play it. Everything.
Because no, yes, I know they search my husband for. I not get all of you now. I not even get that. I know this, you see. No, yes, I know
there was a day.
When you say I can't go my husband for, I can't attack you. How will you feel?
There was a day. I can't put her to test. I can't let her know, say, I can't pretend as if my wife the right hand.
This is really not funny. I'm not going to lie to you. It's not funny at all. It's really not funny. I'm not going to lie to you. That's fine.
You with that manipulation, Bawari.
We moderator, may block him.
Bawari.
Moderator now is active. May what you write to. I'm blocking now. My eyes is all the comments.
Yes. You make boy. Nobody blame you. You get why? Osas, I don't need your opinion now. I don't need that. Money there, please.
Yes, I'm blocking right now. I'm active. I just put where.
Please, I don't need it.
I'm really active right now for the blocking.
I don't need it. I don't need it. Power tap. If you did 2, 3 o'clock, maybe we'll feel call on a day. Power tap. Okay.
Now, you are not big people. You look up to see what they talk us now. The truth of the matter is that you are not giving me any like you're not convincing me to believe that you sincerely from your heart love me.
Okay.
You know what you do for in return. You know they do the convince me. You know the one that you don't know that kind of person, Shara. You don't know the kind of people I am.
Why just play 4 audios? Oh, please, you wait for me tomorrow.
You do the play audio, not the year.
No. I want fast forward on my put her for. Okay. I put her for this side.
Instead you need
You go let Juju. Why not use Juju for the rest women?
You let Juju na voodoo.
Some say there will be some be PPK. Now, I do have a BP. You know, you see what they talk us now. The truth of the matter is that you are not giving me any you're not even convincing me to believe that you sincerely from your heart loves me. So don't be something they look for a return. You don't even they convince me. You're the one that you don't know that kind of person, Shara. You don't know the kind of people I encounter on a daily. For me to go get your time to do these things, I'm supposed to say yes. But while they come, they do some kind of thing. If you be best way even wise, I tell you, say, I dream about you. The next ask me, say, what was the dream all about?
Now, yeah, I don't dream see this girl 3 times. Carry knife. If I turn like this, she go want shoot my wife 3 good times. I have dreamt of her 3 times.
Now see, I say they know the Baba men. Me
And I told her that.
See, outside for the
No, not the post anything. No, not the post anything. I just the talk.
Outside, say
We go play everything.
They know they see follow me. Now go they say mama nora. They know they see follow me. See,
She say you love me like this. Because now me, I go ask, okay, how you tell them see me?
Zanny, let me tell you something here. I told you right from then I don't have mind for all these threats or prank. I've told you before now. I don't have strength at all when it comes to relationship or emotionally stress. I don't have strength for it. You are stressing me with your words. Yeah, as I am now, I'm not even comfortable at work. I'm not comfortable at work. Your words are too harsh for me. When it comes to someone I love, I can't even handle my emotion. I told you right from then I don't have.
You will first go start from how you toast me. Will they talk and they come small.
but then get babu bia. I certainly look bia. My husband never.
I am happy. Say Goya, don't put you for this problem. And I did very happy. I want me people know the reason why you stopped coming to my platform. They need to know. People need to know.
Stop monitoring me.
So that tomorrow it will serve as a lesson to the so-called married women to hold their toto to their husband alone. That is if you're truly married. That is if you are truly married. Hey, I laugh. Bliss, Goya has succeeded in landing you into a problem. See, the ones where you get, send and give everybody. Now, fresh one will take on tomorrow. Fresh. I know that you are evil. I know. That is the reason. When I shake you, you're going to use all this voice for me. When I shake you, you're going to use all this voice for me. How many times I pretend on my way they write you? The same thing. When you do to me, you be one still do to my goddaughter boyfriend.
DJ Cruz.
If not be me, no, equal off that one. See. That girl a devil. Block that girl immediately. Now you are not a swagalicious lesbian. And I will still prove it tomorrow. But for now, I want to thank Goya for making you have a national disgrace of your entire life.
Only way they do it on me the right time. Was a reply. Way they do it on me the right time.
Mind
You
for
will hear
all
everything
these
tomorrow.
threats or prank. I've told you before now. I don't
Why will I delete my own? Am I mad? Delete my own. Am I mad? Tomorrow, I go to play. I know if you play on one day now. I know if you play on one day.
have strength at all when it comes to relationship or emotionally stress. I don't have strength.
I know they delete anything.
You are stressing me with your words. Yeah, as I am now, I'm not even comfortable at work. I'm not comfortable at work. Your words are too harsh for me. When it comes to someone I love, I can't even handle my emotions.
We go to do before that slow poison will come. There be three. We be want keep my. We be want frustrate my life. I go confess tomorrow. I'll confess the things that my wife do not know, the things that people do not know. I will confess tomorrow. You could have no say. These people wey waka come also are not getting there today. They are evil.
Zadido. Saturday. So when you're doing this, you will come out. I want to go buy something.
I come out for you.
I want to go buy something.
We are not here there.
Sleep. You here.
Confess.
And I'm sure I'm going to overcome it. Thank God I'm not working tomorrow, so I'll sleep over it and be myself. And I think the only way I can overcome all this is not for me. I will not come to your platform again. Exit me from the group. Okay? I just want to be myself and get stronger and stronger again. Because with the way I'm looking at all these things, I might develop BP if I continue with all the. You're threatening me. Your words are too harsh for me. I can't.
Go your don't put for mobile, please. Me Enogie matun. You want to bring me down. This is the reason why she left. Because I call the love can't be like Ogmaji love. Today I might be smiling, tomorrow are you serious? Today I will be smiling, tomorrow are you serious? She developed high blood pressure because of me. For a married man, that is the most annoying part. And at the year now say, you and your husband still there. So what was that?
What are the requests for DNA? Get well.
If you that say guy they fuck up again, now God will punish you, Rose. If you write time again say guy they fuck up.
Rose, I don't block your generation.
Anybody will you talk say you they fuck up and I block it straight.
I don't block her.
So now one more they cover for adulterous women. So don't reach like that. You don't reach like that. God will punish you. Light, you need to be shocked. I don't like women that crush on me. When a man wants to go for any woman, the man see women want to respect herself. Women want to respect herself. Let the man come for you. Don't go. If you go to my man will value you. If you offer you once.
Oh, Laura, please be very careful because I love you so much. Remember I said this that time. I'm really careful, man. This
was the reason why they not see me again for my platform. I talk, no. Now go ya drag and come. Go ya the bad head.
I never they stay one place. You do the fifi. You want to be free with all. She want to be free with all.
Go ya the bad head.
I want to make me scared for her that because she just notice me. You want to be free with everybody. I wish it did late. This thing, maybe everybody go for lock up. No, go no get platform, no get a bad person, no get a grateful. They will talk, they go rest. They no say something they under. Yours is for different place, different.
You know what? Any woman now tomorrow will know the remarried women and the ones who are not married. Now tomorrow will see their attitude and characters. Anyone.
Do camera down.
Oh, why you do everything one day? All is my first. They are all. You know what? They are ready there. I know it doesn't work like that.
No.
Goya, why you remove counselor picture? No, nah. They say Goya just they remove counselor. Don't remove counselor's pictures, please. Don't remove counselor picture. Your matter and me don't die like this. Now me I'm on Bliss. Your matter and me now don't die like this. Now me I'm on Bliss. Your matter and me don't go like this. Now me and on Bliss get issue like this. Yes. You have landed on Bliss into problem. And Bliss is going to go regret the day when he give you life when they saga my children. I respect my prick a lot.
Oh, I respect you for not for her.
I respect my prick. I get guess what I like. I'm a man. Yes, I know I'm married. Not on my Bliss. Certainly not on my Bliss.
Oh, women will not get me agenda, will not get me do. No, it's not the same.
When I hear that, go there, thank you.
Not the same God create me and
Go ahead, don't expose them.
I don't know.
It's not my fucking business. I'm not in that
So you're a woman, you
man.
I do you a lot. When I do not do well. Omoro ne, omo iso silele. Yeah.
I'm here. In your power, banana gaban.
Omo si silele, my sister. I stretch a lady. Yeah. If not, you go petrol way. You go petrol.
I'm here. Your power, banana gaban. When I tell you I don't want to eat an adulterous money, do you think I was joking? When I told you people, I remember that day, I say, I don't want to eat adulterous money. I don't need it. I want to play another shocking audio for you. Tomorrow,
I like her.
For the next 3-4 days. Then I'll keep the rest again.
I like her. I don't know.
The ones that you do not know, I'm going to expose you.
You have developed a trait for me.
I'm going to beat you black and blue. Go have crossed the line, and I don't care what it takes.
You have developed a trait for me once.
He denied this man. He said the man don't want to work with the man in Nigeria. The man don't want to sign for divorce. He don't tire for the man. Do I know you, sir? I don't know you. This guy destroyed your name to me. All of them will cry. I say, oh, let me want. No will sleep. If I don't do this thing, I'll go enjoy my wife. Tomorrow again, we'll go continue. No level. Exposing the adulterous woman. Go here, your case don't end like this. Go settle your issue with them, counselor. If you not go, they'll swear to do for you. Now me and no more Bliss get problem now. Yeah, we are blocking here.
I know.
Prank. That is why they ask all this question. So they not be prank. I know what I'm saying. You understand? I love you. I don't feel like. Hey, you know what Tori? You met Tori now. You understand? I love you so much. But I am trying to be careful and being scared. Because your intention is not clear to me. My dreams, I thought all dreams need to be times. You're not even interested in the dreams. It makes it look more scary. Because I'm not in bed.
I go dream see my big old knife. If I turn on my wife will carry knife meat. My Bliss is evil. Forget. See, if you be man, get they like you, and the next thing, the day after your wife, you want to see you and your wife scatter. Wrong. Yes, now we don't the date now. Huh? We don't the date now. What do you expect now after the toasting? You know the year word. We don't the dates now.
I'm 44.
Daddy, let me tell you something. I just listening to your voice notes, and I don't know how you want me to convince you. I don't know how much you want me to. This is unusual to me. Trust me, this is unusual to me. I have to put myself aside and make sure I focus. See, I got my birthday coming. That's my 40th birthday. When your wife and your birthday, I make sure I try as much as I can. Do you know how many DM I got? Do you know how many DM I'm receiving every day? Do you want me to start sending you screenshots of DMs of people like, what do you have with Enogie and all of that? Check my wall. Apart from the father of my children, there's no man in my wall, but I put you there.
Am I married? Am I a married man? Yes, I'm a married man. Did I hide my relationship from media? No, I did not hide it. So what happened? So what happened? Why did you toast me? Tell the word! Because I said no, and you forced me to it. Now the repercussion will be this one. If I make come for you now, I go for still use my mouth, take talk me, I sleep. That's me for you. That's it. Make she bring her for toast time now. Mona pour me water. Person don't force you don't give assurance. I don't know her from Adam. You came with lions. Oh my Bliss. When I give Aisha lion queen too, that one another story for another day. Even now tomorrow I go involve the remaining 2 ladies safe. Now you're beat all of now once. The one I've been wanting to spoil my platform. Don't tell me I'm wrong. Don't tell me that. I not delete my own. Nah, I don't delete my own. Why they talk like this? You they crazy? Oh my Bliss, you not go fit play my own. You not get what? Oh my Bliss, don't say that.
Say boy, you knock there, see.
Don't say that.
Person the UK, this one they never see now. Well, I don't know because they do this one. I don't know. I send it behind my sister.
Okay.
They say una knock. Now I say I'm not sure say una see because
knock fire.
The UK, she know.
Knock fire.
I wish she come. I for say some for no. I'm not sure say she come Jamie because now UK she did.
I think you see, you know they provoke me more. I'll soon go offline now. It's 3 o'clock. I don't do my own net already. I gotta sleep for tomorrow. Because tomorrow go bloody. See, tomorrow it go too hot. No, I'm not asking me much questions. Bliss, why they lie? Why they talk say me? See Anna, I had to delete my own messages and voice notes. Why they lie? Why play my own now? Play my own. You are married and you are doing this. You have done it to this guy too. Ekia lion queen. Ekia lion queen. So why you can't say I don't delete my own voice note? Why? Oh, when I said it that you are an adulterous woman, I have evidence to it. But go and not get evidence. Go and never see Saga. Go and go see Saga. And on my own idea, I've never done this before. You wanted to spoil my name. When did they talk since then? Nobody said the year Enogie is ungrateful. How? How? You were coming in March to come and see me. I said no. You said okay, you will come. I said okay, come. Before I thought they behave like me else. You said it with your mouth that you will not come to my platform again. And so that's why it happened.
Annabelle, when they kill you, which one I tell you say I trust my husband? Which one my man or not to they trust your husband? Do I tell you say get that I trust him? If
any girl day when I don't follow, do this kind of wait.
Let's trust my brother say they respect himself. Not be man, not the user they see on that.
If any girl day when I don't do this kind of thing to come and disgrace me with opportunity.
I don't think when they say I trust my husband, only trust when I trust, I don't be man with the fifi. Not many girls they tell her, no how many. They control herself.
That one not me say I be perfect man.
They control himself. It's not some man say the Bible they hurt the woman for his.
That one does not mean that I'm a perfect man.
I'm not the hear English.
I don't know her from Adam. I thought maybe she just liked me because they gift me. I don't know that. You see, this is Enogie versus everybody. We're going to expose the adulterous women that we have in our midst. I pity people when they sleep. Midnight was a good person. Now they go spoil midnight mind.
Z.
Where make midnight not they come my platform again?
Yeah, Z.
Midnight was a very nice person.
Z give me with Naira, he give me with normal gift. Z.
Now 3 women, they made that 2. And I'll expose the rest to tomorrow. No time to waste. Tomorrow I'll do the saga once and for more rest. I am not that kind of a man. I am not that kind of a man. Yes, I play with everyone. But when I see you as a threat coming to tell me that you like me, like you like me and you know that I'm married, I'm not be me toast to you now. If man toast to you, you put body set, and the man will shame. Now you go sit down, and you know, say you married, go toast her. I want to expose all of them, not just on my Bliss. Emotional damage or boué. Emotional blackmail or boué. You're there, man. You're there, husband. You don't put your prick for one place. You don't put your toto for one place. Evil. The second my children, you got a gift. Oh yeah.
Some say they will be. Some be PPK. Now, I do have a big PO. You know, because you see what they talk to us now. The truth of the matter is that you are not giving me any you're not even convincing me to believe that you see.
And one of our friends still called they fall in love with me. Do you know that your friend called they fall in love with me? May God punish you now too. Now set me up. It was a planned work between you and my enemies to come and disgrace me with lion. So that I go fall put. I know. And I was smarter than you. I played that one tomorrow. Hey, pa, why would you tell me that you love me? They crazy. As a popular rich from me, you want to set me up, they mad. I never said to Tori before, they crazy. You want to carry baby for a married man?
Yeah, one bomb boy.
How they talk everything now? That is why, as a man, if you dey observe your children, you see the way they take play, the children know they resemble, you go do DNA fast. You know what's the plan of this girl? This girl tell me, now here on tomorrow, he say she want to carry belle for Germany. She want born twins boys for me. She'll go UK. She'll go the dance. People will tell her congratulations. And I me get belle. You want scatter my ass. You want born boys for where guest children dey. Agbeo. Tomorrow, you go hear more me from my hand. You say I don't delete my voice and I go punish you. You say I don't delete my voice note. Even if the pikin resemble you, go and do DNA. God bless you.
So try.
I say the man keep saying na you in dey bring down. Na himself, na him
Yeah. Myself I dey bring down. People will even love me more and be free with me more. Married woman, make me go sleep with married woman. Make una for come get me. I forbid married women. I don't sleep with them. Even single mother self, I don't sleep with them too. Even single girls, I get wife. I'm not a perfect being, but sleeping with a married woman is not my thing. You where they sleep with married woman, they'll sleep with your wife. What did I may put? Say they bring yourself down. You dey crazy? Married woman they do bad, won't not expose them. Married woman they do bad, won't not expose them. You know so that content for the social media. The remaining two go suffer from man tomorrow. I don't want to. You hear that they do like this now. I go meet all of you tomorrow. I don't want to. I go punish you now.
Finally, we are free.
I go punish you now. Because I'm a very responsible man. And if I dey play with you and you be married woman, play with me normal. If you bring love, I go dey disgrace you the way I dey disgrace you also. I don't need anything married. Even if you be single girl, not play that play with me. I don't trust anybody for my life. People are trying to pull me down. They tell me say people go wrong. Anybody way wrong, you know say they cheat on your husband. Am I right? Women, are you not proud? Till they talk. Una go continue to na console, na go dey console mon Bliss. Na console na go dey console mon Bliss. Console wa console here. Imagine say I go sleep with her. It would have been worst. This girl for make me go carry 6 of our forefathers put for my enemy head because she's married. How will you toast me? Swear, go bring juju. If na me toast you, go and bring juju. Toast me. I say, but you say this, that. Not you, not tell me, daddy. Toast me. You toast me.